Let's be honest, cleaning up after pets feels like a full-time job. But the Shark Pet Cordless Vacuum is a total game changer. With its HyperVelocity Suction, it doesn't just move dirt around. It actually pulls it out of your carpets and off those hard floors. And the best part? No more tripping over cords. You get a solid 40 minutes of runtime. Plenty of time to zip through the whole house. The versatility here is just wow. It transforms into a handheld vac in seconds. Using the pet multi-tool on the sofa is incredibly satisfying. It grabs every single stubborn hair. Plus those LED headlights, they reveal dust bunnies you didn't even know were there. When you're done, the XL dust cup empties with just one touch. So no more getting your hands dirty. Right now, there's a massive 50% off limited time deal, making this the #1 cordless vac under $300. Check the link in the description to grab yours before the price jumps back up. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home hacks.